Want to pin and send a location on WhatsApp? Here's how to send a fixed location, not live tracking. First, open WhatsApp. Go to the chat where you want to share your location. On iPhone, tap the plus icon. On Android, tap the paperclip icon. Now select location from the menu. You'll see a few options here. Tap Send your current location to drop a fixed pin where you are. Or use the search bar to find a specific address, place, or business. For example, search an address and tap Send. Fixed location sends a single pin. Live location updates your movement in real time, so don't confuse the two. That's it. Your pinned location now appears as a map in the chat. Like and subscribe for more quick WhatsApp tips.